Hi there. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a web page to your website. First thing you want to do is come over here to Site Manager and then click Pages. And what you can do is then click Add a Page. And here we are, we have a new web page, working copy. First thing we need to do is to give the page a name. And Business Catalyst will automatically fill in the page title and the page URL. Now, the page title, you want that to be descriptive because the search engines use that to find out what your page is about. And also the page URL, you want that to reflect it as well. You can edit the page URL by clicking the Edit button here and then changing it. Bear in mind that you cannot have spaces in a URL. You couldn't have About Us. You would have to have About -us. Next thing you'll want to do is to choose the folder that you want the page to reside in. A lot of web pages just sit in the root folder, but if you have another folder, you can place the web page in that folder. Now, if I choose, for example, My Account, you will see that the URL has now changed to add that folder into the directory of where the web page resides. The template, this will be set up by your web designer, and what you'll want to do is to choose a template that you want to apply to the web page, and that may also change the CSS classes available to you in the WYSIWYG editor. Next is the More Options, and the first thing we see here is a 301 redirect. This is generally used if you want to point one web page to another web page, and this is often done for search engine optimization, and is something that we recommend you talking to your web provider about first. The release date is the date when the page can go live, and you can also have an expiry date. We then have the enabled button, which can be toggled on or off. If the page is enabled, then it's viewable to the public. If it's toggled off, then it's not viewable to the public. This is a good way of deleting web pages rather than actually deleting the whole page, because once it's deleted, you can never get it back. You can choose to have your page excluded from the search results, and you can also have workflows and roles responsible for the page. The actual page content we will cover in another tutorial on page management and editing. And when you're ready, all you need to do is click Publish, or you can save a draft. Bearing in mind that if you save the web page as a draft, it can't be seen by the public. And that's all there is to this tutorial. Thank you.